Rome, 1st century AD. And I don't mean the Rome you picture on postcards. No ruins, no tourists. This is Rome at its peak. Over 1 million people, stone streets, temples everywhere, armies stretching across Europe, Africa, Asia. This wasn't just a city. This was the center of the known world. And Rome didn't rule with swords. Oh no, Rome ruled with fear, with law, and most importantly, with memory. Because in Rome, power wasn't just about killing your enemies. It was about deciding who would be remembered and who would be forgotten. Now meet our man, Lucius alias Sejanus. Say the name again, slow. Sejanus. Not an emperor, not from an ancient royal bloodline. Born into the equestrian class, the Roman middle elite. But this man understood systems. He became commander of the Praetorian Guard. And let me explain why that matters. The Praetorian Guard weren't just soldiers. They were the emperor's personal bodyguards. 9,000 elite troops, armed, trained, and here's the key, stationed inside Rome. Every emperor needed them. Every emperor feared them. And whoever controlled the guard, controlled Rome. Sejanus reorganizes them, centralizes them into one massive fortified camp. First time in history, suddenly, Rome has an army inside its own walls. Statues of Sejanus start going up, public squares, forums, his name carved into stone, his face stamped onto coins. People bow, senators flatter, poets write verses comparing him to gods. Some whisper, and yeah, they whisper, that Sejanus is more powerful than the emperor himself. And the emperor? That's Tiberius. Old, suspicious, paranoid to the bone. A veteran general who no longer trusts anyone. He abandons Rome, moves to the island of Capri, and rules the empire from there, through letters. Thousands of them. And guess who reads them? Sejanus. Yeah, every appointment, every accusation, every execution order, filtered, delivered, interpreted by one man. Years pass, and something strange happens. Anyone who opposes Sejanus disappears. Charges appear, trials move fast, sentences end in death. Under Roman law, treason didn't need proof, only suspicion. Rome starts to believe something dangerous, that Sejanus is inevitable, that resisting him is pointless. Then one morning, everything breaks. The Senate gathers. A letter from Tiberius arrives. At first, it sounds normal, even praising Sejanus. Then, slowly, the tone changes, subtle, careful, until one sentence drops, heavy, final. Sejanus is an enemy of the state. No defense, no witnesses, no trial, just law. Sejanus is arrested. But here's where Rome does something really strange. They don't kill him, not yet. Instead, they begin to tear him apart in a different way. Statues pulled down, faces smashed, names chiseled out of inscriptions, official records rewritten, documents altered, stone letters violently scraped away, leaving scars in marble where his name used to be. Temples, forums, monuments. Rome behaves as if Sejanus never existed. And here's the part that makes this absurd. Sejanus is still alive, breathing, thinking, listening. But legally, administratively, historically, he's already gone. Rome erased him before killing him. This isn't execution, this is deletion. The Romans had a term for this, damnatio memoriae, condemnation of memory. Not punishment of the body, but of existence itself. Erase the name, erase the image, erase the past. Because if no one remembers you, did you ever exist? Only after the erasure is complete does Rome finish the job. Sejanus is strangled, his body dragged through the streets, thrown into the river, his children executed, his bloodline erased, not because Rome feared his return, but because Rome feared his memory. So now, pause. Ask yourself, does this sound real? A civilization that believed you could kill someone twice, once in reality, once in history. A man erased while still breathing. Too absurd? Too modern? Too precise? Here's the truth. This story, with erased names, broken statues, and a man deleted before death, is real, documented, recorded, indisputable. Rome didn't just kill its enemies, they removed them from existence. Absurd stories feel fake, but history? All right, history doesn't care what feels believable. This was Verum 404. All right, this was my first video on YouTube. Took a lot of work, actually. Whoosh, thank good. And I found my passion doing it. My name's Penny. I want to keep telling stories. If you liked it, a like, a subscribe, or a comment would mean a lot. Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure.